Everyone enjoys ice cream, and I will not scream for it, but few know the chemistry behind it. In the process of its creation, no real chemical reactions ever actually occur. So physically, ice cream is composed mostly of water, sweeteners like corn sugar, flavorings and emulsifiers like eggs, milk solids, milk fat, and actually 20 to 50% is air. Here in the colloidal structure of the ice cream, which is essentially just a word describing a mixture of substances, you see the tiny air bubbles mixed among the ice crystals and water, as well as the sugar solution or the fat globules that compose the ice cream. Within that sugar solution, the destabilized fat comes together in globules and coagulates because of the emulsifiers, which is the role of the eggs to make sure the fats are stable in the production and transportation of ice cream. Another important part of the chemistry in ice cream is its freezing, and the sugars and salts in the ice cream actually make it harder to freeze, lowering its freezing point to negative 16 degrees Celsius. So when you actually have the ice cream, only 72% of it is frozen. If all of it were frozen, your teeth would be destroyed. The faster you freeze the ice cream, the more fine its crystals will be in its texture. So people have been known to use liquid nitrogen in freezing to make it happen quickly. Since the stabilization of the ice cream is prone to heat and temperature, manufacturers have tended to use stabilizers like guar gum and carrageenan to preserve its structure for longer. When it comes to the flavor of ice cream, it comes down to trial and error development using different additives and sweeteners to try and produce different flavor results. But when it comes to ice cream flavoring, manufacturers must realize that they cannot use fat-soluble flavorings on low-fat ice creams. And so, depending on the fat content in their ice cream, they have to alter their flavorings accordingly. In total, the chemistry of ice cream revolves around the physical changes that occur in its production, and how people can best preserve ice cream's physical structure while bringing maximum flavor and yumminess.